Hey everyone, and welcome to another room tour. This is a sheltered balcony on the Queen Mary 2, deck 6. And to start off with, we have a kingside bed, bedside table with lamp. There is no bedside charging before you all start moaning. Another bedside table and lamp. Sofa, coffee table with complimentary sparkling wine. Small vanity area with UK power sockets, and if you feel the need to do so, there's also some North American sockets. Mirror, coffee and tea facilities. There's also minibar and a couple of small drawers just for storing odds and sods. There is also a hairdryer. Moving around to the storage area, absolutely tons of storage, probably the most storage we've seen on a cruise ship, also ocean liner in this case. So we've got a full-size wardrobe, safe, storage space, multiple drawers, another full-size wardrobe, loads of hanger space, loads of space down below for your dirty laundry and your bags. There's also space underneath your bed for storing your luggage. And then we have bathroom, so sink, vanity area, mirror, and unfortunately it is a shower with a shower curtain. We do however have Pan-Heligan toiletries which smell absolutely lush. And then finally, sheltered balcony. So like I said, we're down on deck 6. And I can't get out the door because Dom's locked it. Retard. And then sheltered balcony. So we're currently at Brooklyn Pier 12 in New York City, getting ready for departure. And that's it.